We are in Titahi Bay Wellies and we are working on Wahine Pūrotu.
Kei hia tātou, kei tōku whare, ko tā mātai mahi, he hopu reo, te Waiata rongo nui rawa atu, ātāhua rawa atu rā, Wahine Pūrotu.
It's a busy thing to be in separate locations trying to do any kind of music. It's always better being in the room with someone, bouncing off them, all that stuff. But I think with COVID, it has had its challenges. But you know, at the same time, me and Maisey have worked really well together on this, and like she's just been with me all the way and so supportive.
Wera tētahi o ngā tino rerekētanga, kei ko ke ia he Waiata ana, kei konei a haiwe Waiata ana, engari, ko tā māua mahi he waiatu, he FaceTime, he wānanga i te Waiata nei. And I explained to him about what it looked like on stage and how that felt. Yeah, and he was open to that. He's on his journey, learning te reo Māori. What better way?
There's been a few challenges. You know, my te reo is in its infancy stages still, even though I'm kind of learning bits and pieces every day. So taking on this the whole song has been a bit of a challenge, to be honest. But I've also learnt lots as well, and everybody's been hugely supportive.
Tēnei te Waiata tuatahi mōna i roto i te reo Māori. He kaipapa nui mōna i te mea ko tāna hiahia kia whai i te reo Māori, kia ako i te reo Māori, mā te Waiata, he Waiata aroha. Nō reira, ko tērā tētahi tino kaipapa, hei hono iaia ki te ao Māori, te aroha.
There's a lot of leading from Maisey because she's sung the song many times herself. I've heard her sing it. It's an amazing thing when she does. But I feel that it's the song that you have to serve the most because, especially in this case where it's not my own Waiata.
When the tono came to sing Waka Huia song, I was a little nervous because, you know, kua rongo kētia hau tērā Waiata, it's already been done, you know. But for this kaupapa, 50 years of kapaka mapatini, I thought, no, okay, let's do it. He tino honore nui tēnei. And just wanted to try and put into the Waiata how I felt when I first seen Waka Huia on stage, perform that Waiata. That real beautiful aroha aspect, the interaction between the wahine and the tāne.
I feel really honoured to be a part of this, especially with Maisey as well. Acknowledgements to her and a huge acknowledgement to obviously Bob Wehi and Pimia Wehi, the creators of Wahine Pūrotu, Te Waka Huia, And yeah, of course to Rob Ruha for giving me this opportunity to sing it.
Kua kore aru i au, me he mea he wawata. He moi moia, he aha rawarane. I moi aha, I ki